This is Colin from watchoffthecuff.com. Today I've got a Michael Kors model MK-8589 on the bench, and the chronograph hands are not aligned. You see if I press the chronograph here, it's down here in the 6 o'clock subdial, and I press stop. When I hit reset, it resets to a different position, and the minute counter at the 9 o'clock subdial is also out of position. This can happen two ways. Number one, the chronograph could have been running when the battery ran out. At that point, the chip loses the position of the hands. Or sometimes when you pull out the crown, if you inadvertently touch the pushers while setting, you can inadvertently change the alignment of these hands. So I'm going to show you. Just as a matter of a technical background as well, this contains a Miyota JS15 movement. So this will apply to any movement watch that contains the Miyota JS15. So what we're going to do is we're going to pull out the crown. In this case, there's just one push out since there's no, there is a date complication. So we're going to go 2 out. And then you can see if I press this top pusher, we can see this hand is beginning to move here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to press and hold. It's going to rapidly move across, and I'm going to move it up so it's back there to the 60. And you can see here that it's not aligned with the minute counter. It's 1 minute behind. So what we're going to do is we're going to go another revolution. They're mechanically linked. So I'm going to press it again here. We come around for a second revolution, and you can see that now both hands are aligned. Now you can use the bottom pusher here and go backwards if you need to. And you could also rapidly go backwards as well if that is not aligned. You push the crown back in. And now if we test the chronograph, we're going to move it a few seconds there. I'm going to stop. I'm going to press the reset, and it resets back to 0.